The Graduate Management Admission Test, GMAT, is a globally recognized standardized test designed to assess the skills essential for success in graduate management programs, including MBA, Master of Business Administration, and other business-related degrees. Administered by the Graduate Management Admission Council, GMAC. The GMAT is widely used as a key criterion for admission into more than 7. Today, I am going to explain a question related to GMAT quantitative reasoning. The population of City X increased from 2 million in the year 2000 to 2.5 million in 2015, and the gross domestic product of the city in 2000 was 3/8 less than that in 2015. What was the approximate percent change, rounded to the nearest integer if required, in the per capita gross domestic product of the city from 2000 to 2015? Step 1 is finding per capita GDP. To find per capita GDP, total GDP TOB divided by mid-year population. We will use below data. Year 2000 population is 2 millions, and 2015's 2.5 millions. GDP in 2015, let's say X, and 2005's GDP is X minus 3/8 X is 5/8 X. Per capita GDP year 2000 is 5/16 X. Per capita GDP in year 2015 is 2/5 X. Next step is calculating percentage by substituting values. Final value is 0.28. Once it convert to percentage, it is 28%. I think this explanation is more useful. Please subscribe this channel and wait till next support video. Thank you.